Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
And thank you for watching. Good morning. My hair's been washed and it's almost dry. Just a little bit more to go. And I am going to pin it down with my goodie clips, and I have a lot of them. And I've decided that if I am going to keep this gray hair, I need to learn how to play with my face. So this morning what I was doing was playing around with makeup. That's done. Now, why? Because my hair needs to be somewhat neat because of how I'm going to wear it today. This is my satin lined cap. And now I'm going to try to do something with this huge scarf on my head. Thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks but is covering them today, who loves her subscribers, friends, and family. And I love God because He's been so wonderful to me. Have a great day. Yeah, it's loose again. I didn't like that kind of flat look. So I'm going to try something else. This is one of my, I guess my sock cap, if you can call it that. I'll take this and I am going to put it under here. It's going to give me somewhat of a lift.
Maybe I should tie it in front of that instead of under. I don't know. Yes.
I like that better. And I do like this better. This is what I'm wearing today. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. Because tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up. I'm going to get dressed. I'm going to look cute. I'm getting ready for Easter Sunday morning. I'm going to style this hair. Oh yeah. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow morning. I'm celebrating.